I'm going to show you how to create your own part library in OrCAD Capture. So here I have two libraries loaded already, but let's say you don't have that. Let's say you don't have any libraries loaded. You create your new project and everything, and then what you'll have by default is this folder called library that has nothing in it. What you do is you can either add a file or go to File, New, Library, and that's how you create a new library. Well, yeah, it really is that simple. So what I normally like to do is choose Save As and put my library somewhere in my project folder. So let's see. My project folder is Power Module, and I have a Power Module library here already, but you can name it whatever you want. I'll call it Power Module 2. Click Save. And now this is my library. It doesn't have any parts in it, but this is how you create a part library. Then you can start adding parts into the library.